Actually, with constitutional status, there comes a lot of facilities. I think maybe it might have been difficult for governments to provide all those necessary resources uh, like uh, like funding from the
Charging upon CFA,
CFA,
Consolidated Fund of
Consolidated Fund of India.
Recently, there have been lot of talks about police reforms,
Okay.
and they came into highlight even now during the rape case talks. So, what was the Supreme Court guidelines issued on this in 2007?
Okay.
Police reforms is a topic in public administration. So, in that
Yes.
context, I'm asking.
In 2006-7, there was a uh,
Any major one, two, three? There were seven reforms which were being suggested, and a committee also was set up after that to review those reforms. Problems with police?
Uh, yes, I can talk about the problems of police. The major problem is that there is a very strict hierarchy in the police administration, and they still the top-notch officers still don't work, don't take don't take seriously the suggestion by their lower constable and all the lower hierarchy, lower people, the officers who are in
Field.
lower strata, and most of the police work is very constabulary in the by nature. They just have to report all the crimes, and there is no such initiative to prevent. The prevention methods are not a part of function of police in right
Okay.
nowadays. So,
Institutes of Public Administration in India.
sorry.
Institutes of Public Administration in India. Some major prominent institutes you're aware of.
There is IIPA, Indian Institutes of Public Administration in
When was
Delhi.
it set up?
When was it was set up in early 1950s on the recommendation of Appleby, Paul Appleby.
Okay. Deal.
Um, what are the two terms that makes the twin deficit?
Twin deficit,
Yes.
fiscal deficit, and another is current account deficit.
Is it bad or good for India?
What
Twin deficit.
few?
Twin deficit is bad or good for India?
I mean, deficit of any kind has its meaning, and twin deficit is just a combination of these two, because these two are the most sought after deficits. So deficits have their bad impact, and especially current account deficit is more uh, harmful than fiscal deficit.
Okay, so you say that CAD is worse than
CAD is more harmful than fiscal deficit.
fiscal
We
deficit.
can have some positive explanation for fiscal deficit, but but for
But some theory says that the current account deficit is some some amount. I mean, some current account deficit is good for a developing country to have a good growth.
okay, maybe I mean, I'm not aware of those theories
Okay.
actually.
So just tell me that disinvestment of PSUs to fill the fiscal deficit is a good thing or a bad thing?
Uh, Disinvestment of PSUs.
To
Uh,
fill that fiscal deficit, Government of India is doing from 1990s onward.
this is not a very welcome step from an economics point of view, because after all, fiscal deficit is what that government is lacking in earning, and their expend their their expenditure is much more than what they are earning.
Right.
And divestment is nothing but, if we look at the India as a whole country, then disinvestment is nothing but the sharing the transfer of shares from government hands to public hands. So we are just taking an extra amount of money from public to show that we are not having any deficit, but actually there is deficit. So filling out the fiscal deficit from disinvestment of the PSU is not a very smart idea, I would say.
Okay. So like currently we have few departments of the public sector which are not open for the private, such as railway and nuclear. So do you think that these railway and nuclear industry particularly should be made open for the private sector?
There are reasons like in nuclear sector there are very strong security reasons, and in railways uh, there are reasons like railways providing very cheap and affordable way of transportation for a very large
So
and vast.
I mean, you are opposing the
Yeah,
opening up of
yeah.
these
My
two
opinion is
sectors.
this: the current situation should
But
prevail.
due to that cheap fare, railway is going in a huge loss every year in thousands.
There are such opinions also, but given the scenario of India as a country where almost 50% of the people are under below poverty line, so if we can afford, then we must maintain railway under public sector.
Okay, you know that the railway is going in loss
Yes,
from very long time.
recently again railway is going
So
in
the
loss.
steps which government is taking or going to take of this on
Government.
the recommendation of various committees,
Okay.
like Sam Pitoda committee and the another committee. So do you support those recommendations?
I'm not very much aware of exact suggestions from
Okay,
Sam Pitoda.
increasing fare for every class for sleeper, and do you support that thing?
Yeah, in last budget, the government increased the for upper classes like AC and all
No,
the
but
AC
now
classes.
the new minister has decided to increase the prices fare of sleeper class also.
Yes, I believe that it has
Is
been
it a
very
good or a
hard,
bad
very.
step?
It is a welcome step up
But
to a
initially
limit.
you said that the railway is providing fair,
No,
cheap prices, and now you are saying that it should increase its price. So
look,
both
if
seems to
we no
contradict.
no, these are not contradictory. It's a matter of the extent. If the prices which the railway is providing, that price is very low. But we can increase a little bit in that level. But if we give the railway into private sector, then private sector it will be very difficult to say that the increment in the price will be affordable.
Uh, Another sector which we are talking about is nuclear. So should India promote nuclear energy, or we should stop in context of the Fukushima nuclear
Apart apart
incident?
okay. Apart from few countries, most of the countries are still using the nuclear energy, and in the case of Japan, there are some geographical complications which cannot be avoided, and there is always a very high large amount very frequently the natural hazards have been very frequent to Japanese geographical
Now I was asking, should India promote this nuclear energy or it should not?
Yeah, that I was telling you ki Japan is a exceptional case. Otherwise, most of the countries are using the nuclear energy. So I believe that there is no harm in continuing with the nuclear energy
I didn't get any reason in your statement why should India
because it is cheaper, and it is cost effective, and this is latest, and we are running out the.
Do you know, you said it is cheaper. So, do you have some basis, or are you saying it is cheaper? Simply.
What is the cost of per unit of producing nuclear energy, and what is the cost of producing energy by coal based energy?
Do you
When
know
I
the
said
figure?
cheaper, when I said cheaper,
It is not actually.
I also meant that the coal is running out, and other conventional resources are we have very short storage of those conventional resources. In that scenario, it will be difficult to the price of the coal and other
are
resources
you
will increase
taking
in the
environmental
time.
cost also in this?
Yes, with nuclear energy, we have to improve the technological advancement is very much necessary. But in the future, this is what every country is following, so we should follow, I believe.
You must be the every IS officer has to select some special field after some few years, speciality.
Okay, sir.
So which one you want to go for?
Till now, I have not then very much decided in which, but I have heard that finance is a very much popular, and lot of people.
So you would
who
go
are-
by
And
popularity.
you,
No, I'm just saying that
What
this
is
is
your
very
interest?
popular. I'm not saying that I'll
No,
go.
you were asked to tell what was your interest.
which, like I'll tell you, finance, rural development, urban development,
environment, forest,
environment, forest,
Security.
education, health.
Okay, then I would prefer to go into the education sector,
So tell me the main problem of Indian education sector,
Indian education system.
Indian education system. So
Okay. Uh, First of all is the availability of the dedicated teacher, I would say. The teachers who are really much